Hey guys, I am showing you this because there is a very active storm just to the southeast. I'm filming from under the patio in my backyard. It's been quite a light show, so I was thinking that maybe we'll see. Oh, look at that. It's pretty good. It's starting to get dark. And you can hear I-19 in the background. There's been some super, bolts of lightning. You can see it flashing. Every now and then we'll get a couple of really good bolts. Let it run for a minute or two here. See what we get. This is on the back side of the Santa Ritas. Probably near Patagonia, heading towards Sierra Vista. Wow. Ooh, it's pretty good lightning there, folks. Wow. Wow. You're getting your money's worth for this one. Let it go. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds so far. Let it go another minute or two. Woohoo! Looks like it's moving to the northeast. That was a good one. Far enough away I can't hear any thunder, but close enough that I can enjoy the light show. Oh man, that was an awesome one. Got the camera pointed out that way. I'm looking above the camera. And pretty impressive.
Wow, that is quite a show, isn't it?
It is. Look at that.
Oh,
Woo!
wow.
That is impressive. So some of you that watch this may not live in places where you see this very often.
Did you get that one?
I did. So you can enjoy this lightning show safely from, your own computer. This is far enough away we don't have to worry about it, but it is fun to watch. I'll stop at the 4-minute mark here. I don't want to fill up the camera. Wow. Pretty impressive. See if we can get one more good bolt before I gotta stop it here. Wow, that was a good one. Okay, we're gonna stop for the moment and